Hello, in this video we will be seeing in detail about dictionaries. Dictionaries are nothing but key value pairs. To create a dictionary we have to use curly braces and the syntax is key colon value. Now in this example 1 is a key and A is the value of 1. Similarly here 2 is the key and B will be the value of 2. This is a simple dictionary. I'll print this. The keys inside a dictionary can be of immutable type. It cannot have any mutable types. That is, you can have integer, string, you can also have tuple, as tuple is a immutable type. The values can be of any type. It can also have mutable type. So I'll just, for example, here the key is of type tuple and the values of the type list. Okay. This is just a sample dictionary. Now let's move to a more practical dictionary. Here I have two dictionaries, student and student detail. Okay. The student dictionary has three keys: name, age and subject. Here the value of subject is of type list. We can see three subjects given inside a list. Okay. I'll print this. Now let's see how to access each element from a dictionary. To access element of a dictionary, we can just use the subscript and use the key. Now to access the name of the student, I can use student of name. This will just print Alice. Okay. Now if we want to access the subject, I can use the same. Instead of name, I can use the subject key. In case if we want to access any one element from this particular list, I can use the index of this list. If I give 0, it will return max. Now I have given 1, so it will return science. This is how you can access an element of a list. Now we will see how to add a new element to the list. To add new element to the list, similar to accessing an element, we can use the new key. Now if I say I would want to add a new key, register, which is the register number of the student to the dictionary, I can say student of register number equal to, and then I can give the register number 45. Now again I will print the dictionary after adding register number. This is how we can add new element to the dictionary. We can, as I said earlier, we can also have dictionary inside a dictionary. Okay. So here after adding register number, I am adding a new key marks, and the value of marks is a dictionary. In this dictionary, maths, science and English, the subject names will act as a key, and the actual marks will act as value. See, now a new key named marks has been added. Now to access marks, you can just use this. Okay. Now the value of marks alone is been printed. Now if you want to access any particular mark of any particular subject, again you can use this key, the subject key. Now I'll use English. I'll just get 85. Okay. So we can have dictionary list inside a dictionary. Now let's see how to delete an element from a dictionary. We can just use del of student. I'll delete the register number that I added recently. Okay. After adding the register number, I'll print. I have printed the student once before deleting the register number and after deleting the register number. Now if you see, register number will not be present. You can use this del. There is also two more methods to delete, which is pop and pop item. Now first let's see how pop works. Okay. Pop expects an key to be given. The expects one argument, which is the key. Now you have to give an key to delete. I'll remove this, okay, and I will use the key here, register number. What pop does is it will return the value of this particular key. In this case, the register number's value will be 45. So it will print 45 and it will remove the register number from the dictionary. Sorry, I have to give the dictionary name. I missed it. stu.pop. Okay. Now the register, it is not printed. I'll run it again. Okay. Now if you see here, register number 45 is printed. When this is getting executed, it will return 45, and if you see next time when stu is getting printed, register number is not present. Now what pop item does is it will remove the last item, okay, and it will return both the register number and value. It does not require any argument. Okay, now we will see what is getting printed. I guess marks will be deleted. I guess it's small I. Okay, I guess only one statement is getting printed, so I executed it again. Now if you see, the last entry is marks, the key marks with value, the subject of the marks. So here the both I'm here while using pop only the value was returned, but while using pop item I'm getting both key and the value, and then it is removed. If you see the next print statement, both marks and the value of marks have been removed. That is the difference between pop and pop item. We can also use del to remove the key value pair. Now let's go to the next method, get. Get is nothing but to access any value of a particular item. You can use stu.get and you can use the key. In this case I will use name. Okay. I am getting Alice. This is same as stu of name. This is same as stu of name. The only difference is that while using get, it won't throw any error if the key is not present. Now I will show the difference. Now for both the method I am getting Alice. Now if I use names, there is no key called names, but I am just using get of names. When you are using get, it won't throw any error, but in case if you use stu of names, then it will show error. So if you are not sure whether a key is present or not, then you can use get at that time. Okay. To find the length of a dictionary, you can use length. This will give the number of key value pairs that are present. How many pair are present? It will give that number. Now currently only 5 are there, so I am getting 5. Okay. This is I am getting 5 after adding register number. Now let us see how update function works. Generally, to update a single key, we will use like this: student of register number equal to 45. In case if you want to update more than one key at a single time, then you can use the update function. Inside update function, you have to pass a dictionary. So here I am updating both name and I will update age. I will give name as Bob and the age as 21. Okay, and let me print the dictionary now. Okay. If you see here, after the update statement, while printing the dictionary, name and age has been updated to Bob and 21. Now, if you can also add two dictionaries using update. Now, there is another dictionary called student detail. I will, after adding this, I will use stu dot update. Inside the update, we have to pass another dictionary. We have to pass in dictionary format. I can also give another dictionary. Here I will use stu detail dictionary. Now let us see how this works. If you see, class and section has also been added. That is, if the key value present inside the dictionary that we are giving in update are already present, then the new values will be updated. If the keys are not present, then it will be appended. That is the difference. Okay. I'll move to a new cell. Now, to just view the keys of a dictionary, you can use the function keys. This will just print all the keys from the dictionary stu. Okay. Now, if you want to print only the values, you can use the method values. Okay, these are only the values, keys are not present. Say if you want both keys and values, then you can use items. Now, both the key and value pair are present. If you use items, it will return both the key value pair in tuple format. That's it. In next video, we will be seeing how to use dictionary inside a for loop, and we will also be seeing about two more methods, that is set default and for keys. Okay, and two more methods are also there, copy and clear. Clear is nothing but it will clear the dictionary. Now I will just clear the dictionary student detail and print. This will just delete all the entries. Copy is nothing but it will do a shallow copy. That is, once it is moved to another dictionary, I will just show an example as well. Now I am using student2 equal to student dot copy. Now if I clear student, it will not clear the entries of student2 since it is a shallow copy. I should have printed student, by mistake I printed student2 since I am clearing student. See, now all the entries have been cleared, and if you see, I will print this also. See, after copying student to student2, I am clearing student. So stu is empty, but stu2 still has all the details. This is what copy does, and clear clears everything. We have seen everything except set default method and for keys method. In next video, we will be seeing in detail about those two methods, and then how to use dictionary, how to iterate using for loop with a dictionary. That's it. Thanks for watching.